Switzerland. Just the name conjures images of snow-capped peaks reflected in pristine lakes. This small country, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a land of breathtaking contrasts. From vibrant cities to charming villages, Switzerland offers a travel experience unlike any other. Join me as we embark on a 3-day adventure through some of Switzerland's most iconic destinations. Are you ready to be captivated by Switzerland's natural beauty? We'll journey through charming towns and villages. Get ready to be amazed by towering mountains and sparkling lakes. And let's not forget about the chocolate. Switzerland is a feast for the senses. This is more than just a trip. It's a chance to experience the heart of Switzerland. We'll uncover hidden gems and marvel at iconic landmarks. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable Swiss adventure. I bet you didn't know how much Zurich and Lucerne have to offer. Let's dive into day 1 of our Swiss adventure. Our journey begins in Zurich, Switzerland's largest city. Don't let its size fool you. Zurich is incredibly charming. This cosmopolitan hub seamlessly blends modern architecture with old-world charm. Start your day by strolling along the Bahnhofstrasse. This famous shopping street is lined with designer boutiques and department stores. Take a break from shopping and explore Zurich's Old Town, known as Altstadt. This historic district is a maze of cobblestone streets and colorful buildings. Admire the architecture of St. Peter's Church with its iconic clock face. Then relax by the Limmat River and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. For a unique perspective, take a boat tour on Lake Zurich. You'll be treated to stunning views of the city skyline and surrounding mountains. As the sun begins to set, head to one of the many lakeside restaurants. Enjoy a delicious Swiss dinner with a view. Our next stop takes us to Lucerne, a charming city nestled on the shores of Lake Lucerne. The train journey itself is a scenic delight, offering glimpses of rolling hills and picturesque villages. Upon arriving in Lucerne, you'll be greeted by a fairy tale setting. The city is framed by snow-capped mountains and its iconic Chapel Bridge. Begin your exploration at the Chapel Bridge, or Kapellbrücke. This covered wooden bridge is a Lucerne landmark. Take your time crossing the bridge and admire the 17th century paintings that adorn its interior. Next, visit the Lion Monument. This poignant sculpture pays tribute to the Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. For panoramic views of Lucerne and the surrounding mountains, take a ride on the funicular to Mount Pilatus. The views from the top are simply breathtaking. In the evening, enjoy a leisurely stroll along the lake promenade. Treat yourself to some delicious Swiss chocolate from one of the many chocolatiers in town. Prepare for an unforgettable experience as we journey to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. We'll board a cogwheel train in Interlaken. This engineering marvel takes us on a scenic journey through the heart of the Jungfrau region. The train ascends through tunnels carved into the Eiger and Munch mountains. Along the way, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of glaciers, ice formations, and snow-capped peaks. Upon arriving at Jungfraujoch, step out onto the Sphinx observation deck. At an altitude of 3,454 meters, or 11,332 feet, you'll be greeted by panoramic views of the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. The views from here are simply breathtaking and will leave you speechless. Take your time exploring the various attractions at Jungfraujoch. Visit the Ice Palace, a magical world of ice sculptures. Learn about the history of the Jungfrau Railway at the Alpine Sensation exhibition. And don't forget to send a postcard from the highest post office in Europe. Our journey continues to Zermatt, a charming car-free village nestled at the foot of the iconic Matterhorn. The train ride to Zermatt is an adventure in itself. You'll travel through picturesque valleys, past cascading waterfalls, and over towering viaducts. Upon arriving in Zermatt, you'll be captivated by the village's unique charm. Zermatt is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Numerous trails wind through the surrounding mountains, offering breathtaking views of the Matterhorn and other iconic peaks. For a more leisurely experience, take a ride on the Gornergrat Bahn. This cogwheel railway will whisk you up to the Gornergrat, offering panoramic views of the Matterhorn and surrounding glaciers. In the afternoon, explore the charming streets of Zermatt. Browse the local shops for souvenirs and Swiss chocolate. Relax at a cafe and soak in the village's peaceful atmosphere. And as the sun begins to set, find a cozy restaurant and enjoy a traditional Swiss fondue dinner. I bet you didn't know that Day 3 in Zermatt offers some of the most breathtaking panoramas in the Swiss Alps. Today, we'll experience one of Switzerland's most iconic train journeys, the Gornergrat Bahn. This cogwheel railway takes us from Zermatt to the summit of the Gornergrat. Hold on to your hats because the views along the way are simply breathtaking. As we ascend the mountain, the landscape transforms before our eyes. We'll pass through fragrant pine forests, past shimmering alpine lakes, and across meadows carpeted with wildflowers. Keep your camera ready because every turn offers a new photo opportunity. At the summit, we'll be greeted by a panorama that will leave us speechless. The Matterhorn, in all its glory, dominates the skyline. But it's not alone. We'll also see a staggering 29 peaks over 4,000 meters high, including Monte Rosa, Switzerland's highest mountain. The Gornergrat is a true testament to the power and beauty of nature. As our Swiss adventure draws to a close, let's take a moment to savor the memories we've made. We've explored vibrant cities, charming villages, and breathtaking mountain landscapes. We've ridden scenic trains, sailed across pristine lakes, and stood atop Europe. And of course, we've indulged in delicious Swiss chocolate. Tonight, we'll enjoy a final Swiss culinary treat: fondue. Gather around the table with newfound friends and share a pot of melted cheese. Dip crusty bread, potatoes, and pickles into the warm, gooey goodness. Fondue is more than just a meal. It's a social experience that embodies Swiss hospitality. As we raise a toast to our Swiss adventure, let's promise to return to this magical land someday. There's still so much more to explore. So, what are you waiting for? Switzerland's stunning landscapes, charming towns, and unforgettable experiences are calling your name. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Switzerland has something to offer every traveler. Book your flights, pack your bags, and get ready to embark on your own Swiss adventure. Trust me, it will be a journey you'll cherish forever. Share your experience and the place you like to visit. If you have already visited to Switzerland, then let us know your experience and suggest best place to visit in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.